Hi, I'm at the Computing Conference 2025 in London, and joining me is Martin Zhao, who is Associate Professor of Computer Science at Mercer University in Macon, Georgia, in the south of the United States. Hello, Martin.
Hi, Adam.
Nice to have you here.
Glad
Thank you. So, tell us about your academic journey. How did that start, and to where you are now?
All right. First of all, thank you for the interview opportunity. And my training started in many different fields in STEM kind of domain, and then I got involved in computer applications for the last 3 decades or so, and I've been doing different things, but my major interest will be in data mining or data modeling, knowledge modeling, and the related software development and design. Yeah.
And what's your current research you're working on?
Yeah, this conference, I'm here to present a recent research result. It's using what we call the stepwise custom regression modeling. It's part of our research dealing with some valuable monkey data, trying to use these regression model to fit their skeletal development data, so that perform better than other models.
That's interesting. It's Rhesus monkeys, isn't it?
Yeah, Rhesus.
Yeah.
That's kind of a close cousin to human beings. Yeah. So they share 93% of DNA with us.
Okay. What's the biggest problem your research solves, and why should everyone know about it?
Yeah. So, like I said, we have a team of experts in different areas. So for me, I think we are concerned about building a database, and that will be used to support what we call the knowledge model for these monkey population that's been raised in a small island. Local people will know them as the Monkey Island. It's called Cayo, Santiago. That's offshore Puerto Rico. And that's been, the populations have been raised there for 87 years for now. And,
so in isolation?
Yeah, in isolation. Yeah. And it's supposed to be, disease-free, since there's no other kind of involvement with other species. And then the data has been curated by the local research institution called the Caribbean Primate Research Center, CPRC, and we collaborate with them and try to integrate the data they hosted for 87 years with the data we collected with our recent research. There's some monkeys.
Interesting. Mm-hmm. Is the data about their behaviors, behavioral data?
Yeah, they include their behavior data, but mostly they kept it for 87 years from 77 founding mothers, and they kept all the matrilineal and patrilineal family lines. Mm-hmm. So we got this kind of data, their social grouping, and we went to their museum where the skeletal set are kept, and we measure the bone pieces and take pictures, and then we put everything into an integrative, comprehensive database. And my role in this project, since I'm a computer science professor, I know how to write code and let my student to help out with some of the development. And we develop a set of graphical user interfaces, and the users, I would say this is, first of its kind of application, and we can let the users, the researchers who are interested in getting the data to use our tools to explore, where the monkey is located in terms of the family tree structures.
Okay. Fascinating stuff. Okay. So there's a point where computer meets biology, evolutionary biology,
Yeah, so
anthropology.
you can, anthropologists and medical scientists, you can sense that when I attend their conference, I'm only, the only computer science representation.
Yeah. And I bet you're the only monkey scientist at this
Monkey
conference.
science. Oh, okay. Yeah, hopefully other people will, realize they're so close to humans. And of course, our goal is not to just know the monkeys. We're trying to, do some research so that it can bring better insight, better understanding to related kind of human health conditions. Yeah.
And are there any other ways in which your research could make a difference in the real world?
Yeah, I'm interested in doing this real-world application. So with this tool, the research scientists, they can access the data and find the to find out, the data they need. Before that, what they can do is to maybe send a request to CPRC to get a few hundred, animals data. But now they can access all the 11,000 monkey subjects and.
Okay, is this your first time at this conference?
Yeah, right. This is the first time, and this really unique and interest setting, and everyone is so involved, and
Have you met lots of new people so far?
Yeah.
Had some interesting conversations?
This morning I was just talking with one, I think PhD student from Hungary, and
Thank you, Martin. Enjoy the rest of the conference. Nice talking to you.
Yeah.
Thanks very much.